Hello everybody. Right now I'm just going to teach you some more interesting things in the HTML. So by the way, what I'm just going to teach you, for example, here I'm just duplicating the syntax, the sentence or the paragraph, the line number 8 to 9. Well, one thing where I'm just clearing you there right now, that if you just press Ctrl plus D, then the line where you will be can be duplicated. As you can see, it's doing. By the way, now there are two paragraphs. If I just go to the browser and refresh, now this is a paragraph and this is a paragraph, and here I'm just typing some more thing that this is the additional paragraph. Okay, well, what the thing I typed no matter, but the thing is that, for example, I just don't want to remove that, but I just want to hide that. Okay, how I can make it hide? Just put this sign which is called the comment. Okay, this is a starting tag of comment and this is the ending tag of comment. Very simple. Okay, and between these tags you put anything can be hidden automatically. Okay, easily. Here I'm just putting the text like this is the hidden text. Now save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that I'm not getting anything in the browser, but it's still on the document on the coding area. Okay, so basically this data which is inside the comments is not visible anymore. By the way, we use the comments for multiple reasons. For example, if we just want hide any, here just end this up. Okay, now yeah, hide any text or any tag or any program, any script by using the comments. And the second thing is we can do other thing that for example, I just want to clear that the heading. Okay, until we just cover or add the ending tag, the other data which is the bottom of the starting tag can be hidden too. By the way, this is the heading, and then this is the, now I think you've got what I'm just doing, this, oh sorry, the paragraph. Okay, looking perfect. This is the other way. Okay, to make our document more readable, when we just put a lot of coding, we can use the comments, or we can ignore any text as I just did this. Refresh that back and yeah, it's going really perfect. So guys, in the next class we'll learn some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.